Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. With the name of Allah, who is very kind and merciful. Welcome to KingCambridgeSolution.com. On this website, you will find the solution of Cambridge International AS and A level mathematics and computer science, and O level as well. The special thing about this website is you can download the video of each question, PDF of each question. Every question is explained in easily understandable step, and some question you can find on this YouTube channel, My Topper Student. You can also get from here. After that, on this website, today I shall explain the Cambridge International AS and A Level Mathematics 9709, Paper 1, Variant 2, Session 2, number 2024. I shall explain the some question of the Session 2, number 2024. The all question with video and PDF uploaded on this website. When you visit this website, you will find this website. Let's start the explanation of question number 1. The question number 1 is, the diagram shows the curve with the equation y equal to a sin bx plus c for 0 less than x, x less than equal to 2 pi, where a, b and c are the positive constant. Part A, state the value of a, b and c. Part B is, for this value of a, b and c, determine the number of solution in the interval 0 less than x, x less than equal to 2 pi for each of the following questions. The part A is a sin bx plus c equal to 7 minus x, and part second is a sin bx plus c equal to 2 pi x minus 1. Let's start the solution of part A. The solution for part A is, the state the value of a, b and c. The given equation is y equal to a sin bx plus c. A indicates the amplitude of the curve, which is the maximum or the minimum range of the curve from the mean position. First of all, I shall explain what is the mean position and what is the maximum or minimum range of the curve. Let's check the graph of the question again. In the graph, you can see that horizontal axis start from y equal to 0 and x equal to 0. Now, in this case, if we check that our graph start from y equal to 3 along the vertical line, and after that, one cycle of this graph completed at x equal to pi. This graph has two cycles. One is from 0 to pi and other is from pi to 2 pi, because from the x equal to pi, our graph again repeat the same graph as the graph repeated from y equal to 3 to x equal to pi. So in this case, the mean position is at y equal to 3 because our graph start at this position x equal to 3, and at y equal to 3 is the mean position of our graph. Moreover, if we check our graph, the maximum value of our graph is along the vertical line is y equal to 7. Y equal to 7. You can see that on the vertical axis, y equal to 7 is the maximum range of the graph. So in this case, mean position is at 3, as I have explained. On the vertical line, y equal to 3, our graph start at this position, so it is the mean position. The mean position is at 3, and the maximum value from the graph is 7, as I have explained. So the amplitude of the graph is a equal to 7 minus 3, as I have explained. In the given equation, y equal to a sin bx plus c, b indicates the periodicity of the curve, as there are two cycles in the normal period of the sine theta, so b equal to 2. So there are two cycles in the graph. How I now I shall explain that how we can come to know that there are two cycles. So in the graph, you can see that our graph start from y equal to 3. From y equal to 3 to x equal to pi, or in simple word, from x equal to 0 to x equal to pi, one cycle of the graph completed. After that, from x equal to pi to x equal to 2 pi, again the graph repeat the same shape as from 0 to pi. So there are two cycles in the graph. So b equal to 2. B is equal to 2. Next, C indicates the vertical shift in the graph from the horizontal axis. C indicates the vertical shift in the graph from the horizontal axis. So C equal to 3. Now I explain how C is equal to 3. If we check the graph again, we have a x-axis. If we check that our graph start from y equal to 3, so there is a vertical shift of 3 points. So in this case, the y is equal to 3. So in this case, C is equal to 3. Now, I shall explain the part B of this question. For this value of A, B, and C, determine the number of solution in the interval 0 less than x, x less than equal to pi for each of the following equations. A sin bx plus c equal to 7 minus x. If we put the value of A, B, and C from part A, after simplification, we get 4 sin 2x equal to 4 minus x. If we draw the graph of the sin x, and after that, we draw the graph of the linear equation 4 minus x, we come to know that our linear line cut the graph of the sin x at 5 points. So there are 5 solutions. For the part second of this equation, again, we shall draw the graph of the sin x, and moreover, we shall draw the graph of 2 pi into x minus 1. So we come to know that when we take the arbitrary value from 0 less than x, x less than equal to 2 pi, our linear graph cut the sin x at x equal to pi by 2. So there is only one solution at x equal to pi by 2. So now I shall explain how you can access the remaining question on this website. First step is go to this website kingcamresolution.com. After that, you will click on the login register. When you click on the login register, you will find this website. On this website, you will click the sign up. For the sign up, when you click on the sign up, you will get the interface like this one. Provide your username, email address, and the password, and click the sign up. You will be logged in automatically after doing this. Or you can also log in the website after that. When you log in the website, after that, you will go to the course section of this website. In the course section, you will click on the course list. When you click on the course list, you will find the courses on the website. When you click on the cursor which you want to buy, you will get the interface like this one. You need to click on the add to cart. When you click on the add to cart, after that you will check out, or you can click on the buy now button in this case. When you click on the buy now button, the price for the one complete course is $10, and moreover, it is also 200 rupees if you are buying from the website. So after that, when you click on the buy button, you will fill out the stripe parameter according to your card and click on the submit. Click on the submit. When you click on the submit, then after that you will go to the check the combo box at this position and go to your order history. After buying the course, then you will go to your order history. At this position, you will click on the combo box, and after that, you will click on the order history. When you click on the order history, you will see the courses that you have buy, like the mathematics P1. When you click on the course subject, you will see this one. In the content section of your course, you will check the two icon. One is about the download the PDF, and other is download the video of the each question. So in this way, you will find the solution of all question on the website. Best of luck. See you in the next session of on this website.